going on, everybody? This is Eric at Nerf World Order, and we are here because we have some packages! 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 Yay! Yay! That's right. I no longer open packages without you guys. And we also have some bags. Package. Does a package mean box? Or can it be a bag too? We have boxes and bags of packages. And first package, I believe I know what this is. And I'm so excited for this. I've been waiting for this all week. This is the Destroyer. This will kill anything on the field. This will just demolish everyone. And I've been waiting for it. And now I get to share it with all of my Nerf friends out there. You guys. So, let's get into this one. Huh. Ah, Anthony. Not funny, Anthony. Not funny. It's alright, we got more packages, guys. We got more packages. And this one is not from Anthony, my funny friend. It is from Amazon Prime, which means I got this thing shipped in 2 days. 2 days. And these, I know what these are, but I'm not going to spoiler in the next 15 seconds. These are 3 more boxes. And what's in these 3 boxes is what is the really cool part. Duh. Guess you guys already assumed that one. I'm not good at this live video making stuff, guys. I just share stuff with my Nerf friends. That's you guys. Check this out. Saw a sale on Amazon for not just a vertical grip and not just white elite darts, and not just the tip, but the Modulus Strife. That's right, the Modulus Strife. We got 3 of these bad boys. 1, 2, 3. It's all the same thing in each box. Comes with a 6-round mag, the blaster itself, 6 darts, a vertical Modulus grip, and this barrel, which came with one of those little tiny Modulus blasters. We've never owned one of these barrels. That's crazy, because nothing has ever had this green on it, except for that one, the Ion Fire, I think it was, and this Modulus Strife. So, always beautiful to get your hands on a Strife. Don't know if I like the tip. Think I'll be taking the tip off. But, yeah, it's always fun to mod a Strife, throw some IMRs in there, and wreck somebody's world. So, yeah, we got 3 of these. So, that's pretty cool. You guys tell me in the comment box below if you guys like it with the tip or without the tip. You guys let me know. For now, I'll leave it on. Eh. It's actually not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Alright, so we got 3 of those guys. 3 of those bad boys. Oh, there goes my knife. What else do I want to show you guys? Oh, some stuff that we haven't unboxed yet, and some stuff that we're going to keep unboxed, like this. This is a Toys R Us exclusive strong arm Sonic Blaze. Is that Sonic Fire strong arm? Toys R Us exclusive. They're going out of business. We're going to keep this in the box. Just thought I'd share that with you. Pretty nice looking blaster. This, I've been wanting to shoot this, but I won't unbox anything until I do it on video with you guys now. This one came undone, but it's really unboxed. So we have a rough cut. I can unbox this now and show you what comes with a rough cut. I've been wanting one. I finally got one a couple weeks ago and haven't opened it till just now, because that's how loyal I am to you guys. So let's see what we got. Pump action priming. Shoots 2 from the top, then 2, then 2, then 2. And it comes with the darts. So, pew pew, pew pew, pew pew, pew pew, pew pew. Yep. Alright, now I got a shotgun that's worthy for the battlefield, because this one is worthy for the battlefield. Some other cool stuff. I finally got what I've been wanting to get for myself, even though it may not be practical. I finally got the crossbow, the dreadbolt, or as I like to call it, the Daryl, because I'm a huge Walking Dead fan. So I got the Daryl. Come on, people, what the hell? And this is not your conventional crossbow. This is not string propulsion powered. I guess I'm saying that right. It's not tension. It's not a tension propulsion mechanism with the strings. The strings are just there for looks, I guess. This is still a primed plunger tube air-powered blaster. I guess I said that right. So yeah, this is just a spring-powered blaster with strings on it to make it look real. But it's got arrows, not darts. Looks really, really cool. I'm going to unbox and put it together. But first, I will show you, because Toys R Us, you know, has these crazy sales now. We are not going to run out of arrows anytime soon. Not running out of arrows. Arrows, arrows, arrows. 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 So yeah, we've got 25 arrows. And we're not going to run out. Probably won't even be using this thing much, but to shoot cups with. If you're a non-nerfer, which I don't know why you'd be watching this if you're a non-nerfer, well, you can go to Toys R Us and not be a nerfer, but a non-toy person, you can still get batteries at Toys R Us for 50% off. Batteries. Everybody needs batteries, man. So go get your batteries. Also, this is cool. One of the last Sonic Ice Rampages probably to ever be purchased off a store shelf. Look at that. Toys R Us exclusive. You will not see this. This is in pristine shape and is going to stay that way. And oh yeah, I had to buy this because this was the last one they had on the shelf, and this was like $4, so I got it because it's cool, and we need melee weapons for the group. But back to this bad boy. I've been waiting for this. Been waiting for a girl like you. Got any of you guys know that song? Is that Richard Marx? No? I don't know. But that's the scope for the top. See if I'm smart enough to put this together without looking. See if I'm smart enough to cut all the right strings and not cut the strings for the actual blaster. Now I want to sing that song. You know that song, right?
I've been waiting for a girl like you to come into my life. I've been waiting for a girl like you, your love that will survive. I've been waiting for someone new to make me feel alive. Yeah, waiting for a girl like you to come into my life.
Yeah, that one. Oh, okay, now I gotta be careful because I'm almost cutting the strings for the blaster. That's not gonna be cool, bros. Okay, cool. You know, they go crazy with their packaging. Like they got some gold bars in this thing. It's just a blaster put together by some old parts that were found and some old wrenches and that sort of thing. That's all it is. Oh my goodness. Come on, man. I want it. There. There you are. There you are. Alright, cool. Get this crap off of here. Yeah. That's how you prime it. No result yet, so maybe it's not put together correctly. Looks like it. Looks like it to me. Gotta put the scope on for accuracy. Okay, I don't know if I'm supposed to hear the traditional pew pew, but I'm not getting anything. Maybe the dart has to be in there. I don't know. So let's open a dart. See if we can get this out in under 10 minutes. Come on, I just want one dart. God, give me a dart. Alright, we have a dart. And I saw this before. You slide this in there like so. Like so. And then prime it. Nothing. What's going on here? Maybe I put the dart in now. I keep saying dart. It's an arrow. Arrow, Eric. Put the arrow in now. No, it's not working. Didn't I do this right? Okay. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. But that's what you get, men, for not ever wanting to read instructions. Just happen to be one of those guys. Hope everybody's coming out for Community Day on June 16th at War Memorial Park. Nerf World Order's going to have a vendor booth. We're going to have a target shoot and give away prizes for people that hit the target. And, forgot I had a mask on. And, we're just going to have some fun, and we're going to all hang out without shooting each other, and even recruit some new teams and stuff. So that would be cool. How do I prime this freaking blaster? Is there a jam door that I can explore? Okay, 1, prime the blaster. 2, put an arrow in it. That's it. Put the arrow in while the handle is still up. Come on, man. I've been so excited about this thing. Please work. Please work. Please work. Ah! We got it. We got it. Okay. So I think I know what to do now. Prime it back. Put the arrow in. You just must not have had it in the right spot. Alright. Really cool. Really cool. I hope that didn't shake the camera too much. I love my Dreadbolt. Gonna have a lot of fun with this bad boy and kick butt like Daryl does. Daryl's my favorite character from The Walking Dead. Let me know who your favorite character from The Walking Dead is in the comments below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and keep checking out the Nerf Facebook group. We appreciate you guys, all the feedback and the content that you guys been putting up there. And thanks for watching this video. All the goodies we got. We got the new, well, not the new, we have a new Sonic Ice Rampage that will not be opened. We have 3 modular strifes. We got the Dreadbolt with 25 arrows. We got a new machete. And we've got a Sonic Fire Strong Arm that we will not open. And we got a rough cut. Oh yeah, the rough cut. Pew pew, 2 at a time. I got an awesome shotgun for the battlefield. So, see you guys on the field.